Hey guys, you picked up a bottle of Prosecco Rosé, in this case it's Masottina ViaVenti Brut, which is going to be awesome, not just with fish or light aperitivo, but also with some nice meat. So how do you make Prosecco Rosé? You know, maybe you haven't come across yet, is a new change of the laws in the Prosecco world. You basically put some Pinot Noir together with the Glera variety. The result is this beautiful pink color. On the nose, on top of the apricots and peach, you're gonna be having some red currants, some like pomegranate. But also, like some kind of like a gunflint. There is a minerality, beautiful stone fruit, and good citrus acidity. This wine, I'd be happy actually to go with some pork ribs even, not just fish, grilled fish, perfetto, some fatter fish like salmon, perfetto, but also some meat, perché no?